Hello everyone. I have 5 projects for you today, and there's 3 things I think you're really going to like about them. First, they're all going to be easy thrift flips and a great way to refresh your kitchen. 2, they're going to have French country style, which is a favorite of many of us. And 3, I'll show you how to use these in vignettes that will add fall coziness to your home. I'm starting with these thrifted items that I found at Goodwill. First, everything will get a fresh coat of paint. These projects are from 2 videos that I did last fall. So at the end, I'm going to place 2 pop-ups that you can click on to watch the other 2 videos in their entirety if you want to see more detail on how I did these projects. You may want to see more detail on how much more elaborate I made this platinum dish appear with the addition of air dry clay and molds from Iron Orchid Design. I have decorating vignettes coming up and also before and after pictures. These 5 projects were so easy and so inexpensive, and they add such a nice French country touch to your fall decor. A couple of requests. Please click on the hype button if you're watching on a mobile device. You'll see that down below the description. Please click on the 2 pop-ups at the end and watch the full-length video that these projects were taken from. Thank you for watching today, and I will see you in the next video.